Welcome back. Well, if you can't get enough sleep, don't worry, you're not alone. A new study says nearly 9 million people are taking prescription sleeping pills to help get some rest. But as Fox 31's Franklin White shows us, there could be some serious side effects to taking those pills.
Before you hit the sack, pop in a sleeping pill and try to catch up on those Z's, experts say there are a few things you need to know.
Addiction occurs on different levels. There's psychological addiction, there's physiological addiction.
Counselor Andy Martin says we live in what's called a chemical culture, and being dependent on medication is not unusual.
We rely on things psychologically to comfort us and to help us cope with our problems.
The Centers for Disease Control released a new study that says more than 8.5 million people are using prescribed medication to help them overcome those sleepless nights.
And it's very difficult to go to sleep when you become dependent upon something. You really want that same drug over and over.
Dr. DeVale Young with Medical Associations of Albany says the problem occurs when people don't take their pills as needed.
You try to tell your patients to use it periodically, that you should not use it every night, that you use it when you really have those difficulties falling asleep.
He adds that prescription usage will only increase with age, and some of the most affected are the elderly.
As they get older, tend to get sleepier earlier in the day, and they tend to wake up earlier the next morning. They don't take into account that they took a nap during the day, and they also went to bed at 7 and 8 o'clock.
Health officials add that if you're relying on any chemical to fall asleep nightly, you need to talk to your doctor immediately. Franklin White, Fox 31 News.